Today is Emma's first day at university. Watch her journey and learn real English along the way.
Today is the day. Okay, I am ready.
I do not want to be late on my first day.
Have a great first day, Emma. You are going to be amazing.
Thank you, Jake. I am so nervous. This is it. My first day of university. Wow. It is bigger than I thought. There are so many people. Excuse me, I am a new student. It is my first day. Welcome. What is your name? I will check you in. Here is your student card and a map of the campus. Thank you so much. This is very helpful.
Hello. You look like a new student. I am a campus guide.
Oh yes, hi. I just arrived. I am still finding my way.
Your first class is in Building B. It is just down this corridor.
Down this corridor? Perfect. Thank you, Alex.
And this is the library. You can study here anytime.
It is beautiful. I love it already. Okay, Emma. Here we go. Where should I sit?
Excuse me, is this seat taken? No, please sit down. I am Rose.
Nice to meet you, Rose. I am Emma. Is this your first year? Yes, it is my first day. Are you studying business too? Yes, business management. Look, I am in the same program as you. Really? That is so exciting. We are classmates. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Business Management 1.
My name is Professor Hayes. This year, we will study how real businesses work.
Can anyone tell me, what is a business plan? I know this. Should I put my hand up?
A business plan is a document that, go Emma, describes your business goals. Excellent answer. Well done. What is your name? Emma Johnson.
That was amazing. Professor Hayes is so good. I know. And you were so brave to put your hand up. Where are you from, Rose? You do not sound like you are from here. I am from Canada. I moved here for university. What about you? I am from France. I moved to the United States to study. This is my first time living away from home. Me too. I left Canada to come here. We are both far from home. Then we really do need each other. Let's swap numbers. We can study together. Yes, I would love that. That was the best first day. Jake, I have so much to tell you. It was amazing.
Come in. Tell me everything.
Jake, I met someone called Rose. She sat right beside me.
And? And what is she like?
She has wavy chestnut brown hair, and she has the warmest green eyes. She is so friendly. She made me feel comfortable right away. And Jake, she is also from abroad. She moved here just like me.
So you both know exactly how each other feels.
Jake, I put my hand up in class on my first day.
You did not. Emma, I am so proud of you. So, how does it feel being a university student?
It feels like everything is just beginning.
You just watched Emma's first day. Now it is your turn. Tell us in the comments, what was your first day like?
Were you nervous? Did you make a new friend? We want to know. If this story helped your English, please give it a big like and share it with someone you love.
Subscribe to Mr. English Channel Academy and click the bell so you never miss our next story.